Wednesday 2nd, I think. Yeah, Wednesday the 2nd. So I'm vlogging again. Vlogging my selfie stick. Hello everyone. Vlog on gingerbread. Jelly beans. Pick up on yourself. So yeah, today surprisingly I'm on fasting. So I haven't had anything from 6 a.m. To 6 p.m. and I've been praying. I need some change in my life, people, so just to share that to them. So for all the persons them who go to church and are Christians and believe, in God and stuff like that, it's good to pray because I'm actually feeling better and I'm new to this, so I'll continue the fasting and I'll continue to pray. I'll walk to the car, continue the fasting and continue to pray and everything. I hope the lighting good. If the lighting not good, gonna make me know. But yeah, so yeah, I need some change, some positive change, in my life. So that's the reason why I decided to do the fasting. I always believe in God. Start going to church and stuff. Hopefully, I can continue. Selfie. Yeah. So, I'm going to keep it up. Church that I went to, it was nice. Well, hopefully church member, they're going to see this. Ooh, the cool shade, they feel nice. Yeah, so I hope I make it. Hold on there. I hope I make it through the day. The sun really hot in Florida this. And when the sun actually touch your skin, trust me, so I'm going to be really dehydrated by 6 p.m. People don't know. If you don't know me, you don't know, say, I love my belly. I'm going to cool shade a bit. I have school the next 8 minutes. So by the time I drive out, I'm supposed to. You see, it starts with 30, but God will pull me through. It's fast now again. So I'll pretty much make it through the day. Have faith. So I know I won't drop down or anything. But yeah, thanks to my friend Sherry for encouraging me. She told me that I need to just take my problems, to the Lord. So that's what I'm doing pretty much. I've always been praying. I've always pray for people. Yeah, I pray for everybody. Just in case you don't think that I pray for you, I pray for everyone. Let me get in there. Yeah, I pray for everyone. I try my best to ensure that, I remember everyone in my prayer. I pray for the entire Jamaica. Pray for the entire Jamaica. I pray for, my friends, my family, everyone. So, yeah, this is it. So I'll be vlogging today. Hopefully, I can chill back at the campus. And get some nice clip and stuff and things like that to make the vlog nice. I haven't been vlogging like this in a while. Having some camera issues and stuff. So may I go run people. So later. So I just reached school. Late as usual. Let me turn off the car a minute. Got my stuff. This is going to be hard. Yeah, grab my stuff. Put this on top of the car. Yeah, so pretty much I just reached school. Let me tilt this. Yeah. So I just reached school. Okay. I just reached school, so I'll go now. Oh, let me show you something. See that tall? So yeah, what going on? I'm always late as usual. I'm always late, so school is like approximately 5 minutes away by car. Yeah, that's how long it takes to reach school. Literally 5 minutes. I'm back in class now. Nikki doesn't like my selfie stick. I don't know why. I hope I'm getting good lighting of it. Nikki, why you don't like my selfie stick?
You're weird.
Nikki, why you don't like my selfie stick?
I don't like selfie sticks. They're weird and stupid.
Yeah.
And a waste of invention.
It's making a good blood.
No, it's not.
It is.
Oh, that big
Tell him
here
hello.
since 7:30.
I
You
know.
know, you're here physically in this classroom now, so.
Tell them hello. Yeah, Nikki right here.
Thank you, though. Appreciate it.
Oh, hey.
Has anybody seen Chris?
Yeah. So,
No?
closer. Alright, I'm in class now. Let me see. The lighting is supposed to be good. I can't see the camera, but yeah. It's supposed to be good. See the selfie stick work?
Yeah.
Little people. Going to learn. Driving. Yeah, driving. Oh yeah, update on the fasting. It's going good. See, we not eat no. Yeah, we not eat or drink anything. So it's going good so far. Yeah, every couple of seconds, I say a prayer and stuff, right? Like that. Traffic. No. Anytime I drive on US 1, for all the people who drive on US 1 are familiar with US 1 in Florida, it's always, there's so many stoplights on US 1 where you have to stop constantly. There's always a stop. So people actually avoid, the gas tank low. I have money to buy, yeah. I watch the gas tank as well. Come no or not, I guess. Sorry, but yeah, if you're driving on US 1, you should know that US 1 have a lot of stoplights. And always drive no people. Always a stop every minute. So that kind of kill time. So, but the route I may take, it's easier if I drive on US 1 and go back up to Fort Pierce. It's easier that way rather than I go back west. I'm up on the east side now on the beach there. Way over there, so I'm up on the east side now. So you can go from west to east and then I go home now. No. So it's easier for me to take US 1 instead of go back west and go up on I-95 that burn more gas. So I just kind of get that loop there. I take I-95, swing, come round on Bay Shore and then come up and go down. But yeah, people not even know me at all. But anyway, yeah. So I just kind of enjoy the little driving now. Should even not dispense so much energy. But oh well. I feel like to make a vlog like this, so I'm just making a vlog like this. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It's alright. I'm gonna make a next stop off. I try to remember which part. I go down my old workplace, so I try to remember where that is because we have some business down there. So I try to remember. Oh yeah, it's coming up soon. So I'm doing that right now, pretty much like that. So yeah, the stop is pretty much right over there. So I'm gonna make that turn here, so I can get to going there. But yeah, the day going alright so far. Fasting going good so far. I just take my time. I drive and thing like that. And just a vlog. Yeah. I'm still working on some mini clip. People check out the mini clip. I need a lot more subscribers. I know it's slow. But if you're watching the vlog, if you can get a friend over, get them over. Let them watch the vlog. Let them enjoy it too, just like how you're enjoying it now. So yeah, let them do that as well. So you know, they can enjoy the vlogs too, pretty much. But yeah, I just need to get some support and more, you know, more subscribers, more people watching, you know, more people commenting, you know, telling me if they like it or not. You know, that's what I want, pretty much. You know, I just want the feedback and everything from everyone. But yeah, it's going good so far. So, soon come back. Alright, people, so just a reach man thing. The fasting finish. The fasting finished from 6 o'clock. And so I went from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. No food, no juice, nothing. I made it through. I never knew I would do it, but I did it. And I thank God that, you know, He pulled me through. So I'm going to end the vlog here now and get it ready for now. So I want to say thanks again. Always telling you thanks. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Keep getting the subscribers. There's a t-shirt. I have the t-shirts. T-shirt campaign, I might extend it. Nobody has supported me yet, but I'm still trying same way. I know people are rich and a lot of people don't have any money. Like myself here. But yeah, you know me, I try same way. And think, because I really need a camera them to enhance my vlogs. So I can see what I do. I make the vlogs them better and nicer, but yeah. So thanks for watching again. Gingerbread, jelly bean, big up on yourself, see me. You know one of my supporters them. Some call, you know. Yeah, just like, subscribe and share. Alright people, J Vlogs, I'm out.